Part A, question 1. The first one is we have to find the monthly and the interest charge. The information given is the down payment 10%, I 3.85, and the N is 25. So first we have to calculate the down payment, which is 10% multiplied by 383,000 and 300 ringgit, and we get 338,330 ringgit. And next we find the balance, which is 383,300 ringgit minus 38,330 ringgit, and we get 344,970 ringgit. So to find the I, we have to divide by 12, and we get 0.0385 divided by 12, and the N we have to multiply by 12 too, so we get 300. And to calculate the monthly payment, we have to use the formula that A equal to R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus I equal to negative N divided by I. So the A is 344,970 ringgit equal to R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus 0.0385 divided by 12 power of negative N, negative 300 divided by 0.0385 divided by 12. So the R, or the monthly payment, is 1,792 ringgit 43 cents. The next is we have to find the interest charge, which is we use the formula I equal to Rn minus A. So the Rn is 1,792 ringgit 43 cents multiplied by 300, and minus 2A, which is 344,970 ringgit. So the interest charge is 192,759 ringgit. Next question is B, which is we have to find the amount that should he pay on fifth payment. So the formula that we will use is S equal to R in bracket 1 plus I power of N minus 1 divided by I. So we have to replace it. So S5 equal to 1,792 ringgit 43 cents in bracket 1 plus 0.0385 divided by 12 power of 5 minus 1 and divide by 0.0385 divided by 12. So the amount on this bracket is 5.03218643, and we will multiply it by 1,792 ringgit 43 cents. So the answer, or the amount that should he pay on fifth payment, is 9,090 ringgit 84 cents. Question for part A, question 1 is we have to find the outstanding balance to settle this loan in 2 years earlier. So we have to find the new N, which is 300 minus 6, we get 294 N. And the formula that we will use is A equal to R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus I power of negative N divided by I. So the information is A 344,970 ringgit equal to R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus 0.0385 divided by 12 power of negative 298 and divided by 0.0385 divided by 12. So the amount of the outstanding balance to settle his loan in 2 years earlier is 1,840 ringgit 24 cents.
Next, we proceed with Part A, question 2. For the first question, we have to use formula list price times with trade discount rate. Put 5,750 minus with 300. We have to minus it because that one is including the transportation charge. And then we have to multiply it by 20%. So the answer is 1,090 ringgit. Second question, the cash discount if entitled. First, we have to find out how many days to know if we entitled to get the cash discount. So here, we have 20 days before the amount paid. So we got 4% of cash discount. So the formula is net price equals to list price 1 minus C equals 5,700 1 minus 0.04. So we got the answer is 5,520 plus the transportation charge, which is 300 ringgit. So the amount that we have is 5,820. Last question, the amount to be paid. We use the formula NP equals to LP times 1 minus R times Y minus C equals to 5,750 times 1 minus 0.20 times 1 minus 0.04 equals to 4,460 plus 300 for transportation charge, and the amount to be paid is 4,760.
Part B, question 1. Using a formula of future value, S equal to R in bracket 1 plus I power of n minus 1 divide by I bracket. So we put everything in the formula. So R equal to 300 in bracket 1 plus 0.04 per 12 close bracket power of 60 minus 1 divide by 0.04 per 12 and close brackets. So we calculate in the brackets first. The answers for in the bracket is 6.2990, and we just calculate everything. 300 divided by 66.2990, we got RM 19,889 ringgit and 70 cents. Next, we use present value of annuity. The formula for present value is A equals to R 1 minus in the bracket 1 plus I close brackets the power of negative n divide by I. So we put everything that we find earlier, just the add, we substitute into the A and we put the number is 19,889 ringgit and 70 cents equals to 200, because she took out 200 ringgit at the end of every month, equals to 1 negative 1 plus 0.04 per 12 the power of negative 12t divided by 0.04 per 12. The answer for 19,889.70 per 200 is 99.4485. So 99.4485 equals to 1 minus in bracket 1.0033 the power of negative 12t divided by 0.0033. Next, 0.0033 times 99.4485, we got 0.3282 equals to negative in bracket 1.0033 close bracket the power of negative 12t. Next, we bring the one negative to the right. It will be 0.6718 equals to 1.0033 power of negative 12t. Next, the negative 12t, we move to the front and we put log for 0.6718 and log to 1.0033. And we calculate, you will get negative 1 to 0.7426. Next, we bring the 12 to the left, we become a divide. So 1 to 0.7426 divided by 12, and the final answer we get is 10 years.
Next is answer for question 2A and 2B. C is 750 ringgit Malaysia. Trade discount is 10% and 8%. The net price is 55,500 ringgit Malaysia. And CD is 5/10, 2/20, and N/30. So for question A, calculate the single discount rate. So we will use SDA equal to 1 minus in bracket 1 minus R1 close bracket in bracket 1 minus R2 close bracket equal to 1 minus in bracket 1 minus 0.1 close bracket in bracket 1 minus 0.08 close bracket. So the answer is 0.172 multiplied by 100. The final answer is 70.2%. Next, question B. Calculate the list price and the trade discount. So for LP, we will use formula NP equal to LP in bracket 1 minus R1 close bracket in bracket 1 minus R2 close bracket. So since we want to find LP, just put LP in the formula. So LP equal to 55,500 divided by 0.828, and the answer is 67,028 and 99 cents ringgit Malaysia. So for trade discount, we will use formula TD equal to LP in bracket 1 minus R1 close bracket in bracket 1 minus R2 close bracket. So the answer, so TD equal to 67,028 and 99 cents in bracket 1 minus 0.1 close bracket in bracket 1 minus 0.08 close bracket in bracket 1 minus 0.05 close bracket. So the answer is 52,725 ringgit plus with 750 since they are the cost of transportation, and the final answer is 53,475 ringgit Malaysia. Next, for question C, calculate last date to receive 2% cash discount. So 25 April 2023 plus 20 days. So the equal to 15 May 2023. And the last question for D is calculate amount paid if full payment made on 4 May 2023. So 25 April to 4 May is 21 days. So since NP equal to LP in bracket 1 minus R close bracket in bracket 1 minus C close bracket. Then 67,028 and 99 cents in bracket 1 minus 0.172 close bracket in bracket 1 minus 0.02 close bracket plus 750. Then the answer is RM 55,140.